Looking for some fun competition that will expand your software expertise while also putting you in the running for some excellent prizes? Then I'm excited to tell you that as of today, Syncfusion launches the Flutter Challenge. This challenge will walk you through how to install the Syncfusion Flutter chart widget into a web application, thus teaching you how to integrate all of Syncfusion's Flutter widgets into your web apps, dashboards, or anywhere you need impressive, easy-to-use Flutter data visualization. So what will you need to do for this challenge? Well, we can break it down into 3 simple steps. First, you'll need to install Flutter into your machine. Then, you will integrate a Syncfusion Flutter chart into your Flutter project. And finally, you'll submit your project through the Google Forms link found in this video's description, where you will also find how-tos on how to install Flutter and integrate the Flutter chart into your project. The challenge starts today and runs until 11:59 p.m. Eastern on July 15th. So go ahead and start coding, and we look forward to seeing your submissions.